I learned a lot this afternoon about different interventions that can help children at risk, about reward, and also I learned a little bit about good critical thinking, which is a skill we're going to emphasize in this class. You may have heard newspaper reports that such and such a gene is important in risk taking, or that such and such a gene makes people more likely to have depression, or more likely to be aggressive. And today I heard from a researcher looking at a gene that's been connected to risk-taking behavior called DRD4. And what this individual did was to look at children with different forms of the gene in response to good and ineffective parenting. And it turns out that in a poor environment, that having the risky form of the gene does indeed increase your risk of becoming an impulsive person with very little self-control. But having the high-risk form of the gene and having excellent parenting actually means that these were among the individuals who performed best in terms of self-control. So that suggests that certain genes, rather than being good or bad, are actually genes that simply increase your sensitivity to the environment. It all depends on whether you have a good environment or a bad environment to be sensitive to. So remember, when you hear reports about genes, that's a good place to exercise those critical thinking skills.